Where are we going, Skylar?
To a park.
We're going to what we call Floral Fantasy. Can you say?
Oh?
Floral Fantasy.
Floral Fantasy.
Floral Fantasy.
Floral Fantasy. It's hard to say.
So we're going to Floral Fantasy. It's a relatively new attraction here at Gardens by the Bay. If I'm not mistaken, I think it just opened maybe this year.
And we're
Or-
also going to a park. Remember, right?
Yes.
Right there?
We're already inside the park.
This is already the park?
Yeah, it's called Gardens by the Bay. And here is the Floral Fantasy entrance.
Fantasy entrance.
With Singapore's efficient transportation system, there are a couple of ways to get to the Gardens by the Bay, which are outlined in their website. We took bus 106, alighted at Bayfront Station Exit B, Marina Bay Sands, and then walked through Marina Bay Sands Hotel to see the lobby and also a nice close-up view of the hotel.
There's so much plants.
There's so many.
I can't wait to...
Yeah, I think we're gonna take a lot of photos here, right?
Yep. But look. I found the animal.
What animal is that?
A lizard.
Lizard?
Yeah, it says a lizard is in here. In this place. Yeah, it's so fun that we're just vlogging. River! Merong lizard! River, come on, look! That's a dangerous creature!
So as soon as you enter the Floral Fantasy, you will be welcomed by a lot of different flowers. It's an explosion of assorted colors and diverse scents inside an air-conditioned garden, which makes the experience comfortable and pleasant.
Yeah, I was trying to... Nutcracker! It looks kind of funny. Yeah. Ooh, come on, River. Come on, River.
So what can you say about this Floral Fantasy?
It's a little spooky.
A little what?
Spooky.
What do you mean by that?
A little scary.
What?
Because the plants are sometimes not really alive.
They're all alive. All of the plants are alive.
It's camouflaging!
So we are still here at Floral Fantasy, and behind me is an aquarium which contains poison dart crab. And so the Floral Fantasy is worth $15 each for adults.
Okay.
And you can spend a lot of time inside, and you can also take a lot of photos. There are very interesting areas where you can get really nice photos of yourselves and your...
Yeah.
Why do you keep on talking, Skylar? I'm vlogging.